Music goes beyond words. It connects us through feelings and emotions, and it has the power to move us without the need to speak. I'm Alba Careta, and this is my way of making music. I play and compose from my experiences, trying to reach the people around me. To do so, I perform with some of my friends, who I admire and trust to play my music. The nostalgia of being far from home, the curiosity of not knowing which will be the next step, and the desire to be close to my beloved ones are some of the feelings that you will find in our new album, Alades.